What's up, YouTube? We back. Got another one. Today, we're gonna be fixing the P0444 code. That's right, P0444. Purge valve, canister leak, or whatever the hell it is. Some say it's the gas cap, some say it's the purge valve. I tried the gas cap, didn't work, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the purge valve. It's right in between there. Right in there in the middle. So we're gonna go ahead and change it. We gotta get all this crap out the way. So let's go, y'all. We're gonna get right to it. Alright, y'all, check it out. We got the new one right here. You know me, Amazon special. $30. Amazon special, $30. So we gotta take off the air box. All this crap is in the way. To get to it, I don't think we need I don't think it's bolted in. I think it's just some clips that hold it in, so it should be fairly easy. Take off your air mass flow, and don't forget to reconnect it. Six millimeter on the clamp. Right off. Move this out the way. $10 millimeters on the airbox bolts. They're already loose, so. Alright, so that's loose. Pop that out the way. Pop this off. Wow. Put that out the way. And it's right here. Should be simple, hopefully. Let me give y'all a close up of what we're doing here. This right here. That's the purge valve. It's a little push, like a paper clip, metal little piece you push in, unplug it, bam. Looks like it's just held in by let's see, oh okay, it comes right off. It's held in by like a little piece that is snap on. Okay, Got a hose connected on the back side. So you might need to figure out how to get that off. Got a hose connected on the bottom side. Well, I think you just push this part in to get the hose off the bottom side. Let me see. Alright, let me put this phone down, y'all. Try to do this with 2 hands. Alright, so that part is easy. Got a little, push this little piece right here in. This little plastic piece, push that in. And it pops right off. And now I gotta get the hose off the back side. Which I'm gonna put some WD-40 on that, see if I can get it off using WD-40. Now be careful because it's right over your alternator, so you don't want to get too much all over the place to get it over your alternator. Spray a little WD-40 on there. Wrap it around a little bit. Pick, or you can use a flathead. Try to get it to come off. Coming off, but it's slow. Now I want to apply too much pressure with this hose, so I'm trying to work it off. Well, the hose came off. Oh, okay, it came off of the other hose, so alright, that's not too bad. This hose is connected to the plastic hose, so it came off. It's a hard plastic piece, it came off the hard plastic piece, so that's not bad. Pop it off of there. Pop it on the new one. It's the old one. Pop on the new one, and then pop this part back on the plastic piece. Be careful not to break it. Simple install. Should take you 5-10 minutes if that. But this the I don't know show, so we don't know what we're doing. So it'll be taking us a little time. Spray a little WD-40 on it so it slide on easy. Just a little bit, just to wet it, so the rubber can slide on easy. You ain't gotta drench it. Just a little bit to wet it. Slide this rubber on. That's all you need. Go squirt. Go crazy. See? It's right on. Alright, you take this. I guess you pop it on the same way you popped it off. Yeah, just push that in. Oh yeah, just push it in. That just pops in. There's a little slot that it goes on. It's a little metal slot that this purge valve sits on, so you just rotate it. Just sit on that little metal slot that sits on. Bit of WD-40 on the metal slide to sit on because of the rubber, so the rubber slide right up on it. There we go, boom, popped it right on there. Get y'all in there so y'all can see. Let me turn the light on so y'all can see even better. See that? See what I'm talking about, that little metal slot right here sits on? That's why I sprayed the WD-40 on. So that should fix that P0444 code. And this is the electrical connector. Just pop that on. Pop that on like that, boom. Job done. That's it, y'all. 10 minutes, if that. I have to do it again, probably take me 5. You set your P0444 code, and you should be good money. Alright, y'all, so that was simple. P0444. That was easy. I think that's the easiest thing I did on this Beamer. Alright, let me pop this back on there. Tighten it up and we done, y'all. Don't forget to plug all your plugs back in. Put a little bit of WD-40 just so it slide on easy. A little bit. Just a little bit, y'all. You don't need a lot. And let it run all around the edges. So you can just pop it on and it'll slide in. You ain't gotta be fighting with it, see? Look, slide right on. So the bottom, make sure that the bottom seated properly. Tighten up your clamp and you're done. You feel a little bit of resistance. It's plastic on plastic, so it ain't gotta be super tight. Just wanted to make a solid connection. And you're done. Pop your air filter housing back in its proper spot. Slide the air box and the hoses back together, tighten it up. Like I said, those are 6 millimeters. Then tighten up your air box bolts, 10 millimeters. Tighten down your airbox 10 millimeter bolts. We're done. Everything's secure, check all the connections, plug everything back in, plug your mass airflow sensor back in, y'all. Don't forget to plug it in. you'll get more codes. This is what we're trying to get rid of here. That's it. Now, let's go in the car and erase the code. Alright, so what you want to do is take your car keys, stick them in the ignition, like so. Turn it to where all the lights is on, but the car doesn't start. Like that. Take your OBD reader, plug it in. Like that. Boom. It's plugged in. It lights up. Make sure you turn off your headlights so you don't kill your battery. Don't ask me how I know. Press enter. Wait for it to read. Now, when we did the O2 sensors on this car, before we did the O2 sensors, we had the P0056, the P0444 code. After we did the O2 sensors, the P0056 left. The P0044 didn't come back up, but this is what came up. It said it had a code, but it said NA. I'm guessing that's the P0044 code, 444 code that we originally had, because that's the two codes we had. So I'll change the purge valve anyway. Go to erase, click enter, erase yes, enter. I'm guessing maybe I didn't drive long enough for it to read the P00, the P0444. It says erase done. Unplug. I turn the key back, and then I start the car. See that? No check engine light. Hopefully it doesn't come back. It says I need gas, 14 miles, blah blah blah, of course. And that's it, y'all. That's how you change the P0444 code, y'all. That's how you change your purge valve canister. So that's it for today. The I Don't Know Show. And I'm out.